Welcome everyone. We are I am on the rally. I'm on the rally. I'm up early. I was up early. Sun's just coming up. Just got light enough, I think, to turn the GoPro on our way up the road. Just had to lock in the old hubs, you know. Still a little bit, still snow. I made an attempt to get to the wood hole the other day. It's a no-go. So I had to go a different route, and I went out on a journey to all my old wood holes, and I found a tree. So I'm going to get that today. That's where I'm headed. We got the 500i and we got the Taz XP. I'm kind of pushed for time, so I'm not sure how in-depth this video will be, but I will tell you what we got going on with the 500i. The 500i, I'm trying something new today. You know, you know how it goes when you're learning a saw, trying to figure it out, see what it likes, see where it wants to be. I'm gonna run an 8-pin on it. I know it is whatever, but I want to try it just to see what it does. And I'm trying it with an X cut. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit. He's not white anymore. It's got its full color back. So anyway, sorry. Squirrel. Rabbit. Yeah, so I got an 8-pin and I have a 92 driver X cut, hand filed. It's pretty aggressive. Yeah, so anyway, that's what we're going to be running on the 500i. And the Taz XP has a 28-inch Husqvarna lightweight bar with an X cut hand filed chain as well. So that's what we got going on, and I hope everybody's having an awesome day and a great start to your week. We are gearing up big time now for Tazapalooza. That's why I'm going to get this firewood. So we got some nice crackling fir to burn. We'll be burning all kinds of stuff. We'll be burning some pine, we'll be burning some tamarack, we'll be burning some fir, red fir, Doug fir, whatever, and white fir. So stay tuned for all the videos to come for that, because I'm sure there's going to be an overload of it. There's going to be a bunch of it. This road it never changes. It's always got the rough spots in the same places. It's kind of weird. Anyway, hope you're all having an awesome day, and hopefully, I know that the lighting isn't all that. Oh, another rabbit right there. Oh, I wish you could see that. Doggone it. Man, there's a bunch of rabbits out this morning. Ran right out in front of me. Goofy little guy. Yeah, and the bugs have been busy in our forests. I haven't seen it for a long time like this on the tamarack. Mountain Man, David Kelsey, Mountain Life with David Kelsey. David did a video on it, on a tamarack that was like, I'm pretty sure it was like that. So I think, I can't wait to talk to you, David, and see what's going on over there, if we got the same thing going on here. It's just odd. Like I said, I haven't seen it for a long time. But they're working hard. They're really killing a bunch of tamarack. It's really kind of sad. I mean, it'll make nice firewood, but it's kind of sad to see the old tamarack dying like that. So, all right, we'll see you on the tree. It'll just be bucking today. I got my PV, maybe a little bit of splitting. I Got the Tazzy that Jay Ferris sent me. So we might get to try that out, which that'll be fun. And some nice fur. So we'll see you on the log. Woo! Anybody else can tell, but I know for sure I can tell. When you put that aggressive chain, this saw. Now I'm just talking about my experience right now with this 500i. This, I know it's not real small wood. You know what? Here's how we got it warm. Let's go. Let's find something small to cut, huh? Let's listen to this. Let's see what it does. Smaller wood with that 8-pin. That load of the speed of that chain and aggressiveness quick, way quicker. Way quicker, in my opinion. Like I said, this is just me in my experience. So thus far with the 500i, as far as, you know, I'm talking about that small wood rattiness, 4-stroking, and I'm glad that it 4-strokes, but to me, in a logging setting, that could be kind of frustrating, because when you want to cut a limb off, you want it just to be whack, whack, you know, and get with it now. When you hit the throttle, it's ready. But if you got, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain if you haven't run one of these. Another part of it is, I know that a 2-stroke is designed, it's designed to run, but it's designed, they run well wide open. But this saw in small wood with that 8-pin, I don't think you need full throttle. I think there needs to be some throttle control by the operator is a big part of it, from just my experience so far. But that 8-pin with that aggressive chain on it, it never missed a beat in that big one. Not even winding up to get it ready to go and putting it to the wood. It knew it was there. But as long as you don't push on it and horse on it, you heard what happened when I dogged it in. But then I stood back, stood up and bucked, and it just eats through the wood. It comes down to filing as well. There's so many variables that could be covered with this chainsaw and all the other chainsaws. Because not all chainsaws are going to run the same with the same chain. So the same chain, same whatever, some saws don't like that. So to me, a comparison between two saws is finding the best grind, the best hand file that you can muster up, and leave it on that saw and run it against whatever you're maybe comparing it to, because that's a true comparison. With the same chain, it's not a fair comparison. I mean, some people think it's fair because it's the same chain, same bar, same wood, same everything. But some saws don't like that. Like this saw, I'd rather run that 8-pin. And I don't run 8-pin on many saws. I run an 8-pin sometimes on the Taz XP. I run an 8-pin on my 64. But on the 372s, other than the Taz XP, I run a 7-pin. And it made a big difference on this saw. A big difference for me in my wood, in my setting right now, today. Might not do it with your saw, but it does with mine. Look at this dandy load of wood we got going on here. We'll get these other pieces in there and we'll wrap it up. Awesome. Like I said, I didn't know how in-depth the video was going to be today because I got a lot going on. I got to get back. Got to get this unloaded. Got to do more preparation for Tazapalooza. Got softball tonight. We're super busy. Jay, Sorry I didn't get this on video yet, but it chops. It chops and it splits beautifully. Beautifully. The handle is a little longer than what I'm used to, but it's a wicked weapon, buddy. Wicked. It's a dandy in this fur. It's awesome. It's really awesome. So thank you, Jay. I appreciate you, buddy. 8-pin on the 500i. We've talked enough about that. I'm gonna try it in different wood and smaller wood, but it seemed to work pretty darn good as far as my experience. It's coming together, that's for sure. All right, it's 6:40 now. I left home at around 5, so I'm on my way home. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate all your support. If you're coming to Tazapalooza, thank you very much, and everybody's more than welcome. And if you can't make it to Tazapalooza, watch for the videos. I've said it 100 times. Watch for all the videos from all the subscribers that are going to be here. There's going to be lots of footage, I'm sure. There's going to be a lot of excitement right off the bat, but then people will start videoing and all that kind of stuff, and I'll try to catch as many people coming in as I can and get everybody on video and put a conglomeration of who all's here, things like that. And we know that you're all here in spirit. Absolutely. And we will have a spirit fire going. Today is Tuesday, and the video will go up Wednesday. So today, when you see this video, we will have started the spirit fire, and it will go non-stop. There will be smoke coming at least from our spirit fire the whole time, all the way from Wednesday till Sunday, unless it pours rain and keeps us away from it. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be hard to keep everybody here that's coming away from the spirit fire. We love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. And be kind. What a beautiful sight, huh? Oh yeah. We're back in it. Be kind. Okay, I wanted to show you about those tamarack, the western larch. See all this light colored stuff? See all that all around there, all around the bottom of that tree? Watch as we go up. See, you got normal bark right here on this, down on the stump, the lower part of the tree. See how it gets lighter and lighter and lighter? The bugs get in that, right? The bugs get in that, and then the woodpeckers come and dig the bugs out, and they just strip. I mean, they strip that tree of all the bark, all the tiny woodpecker holes that are in it. See all those dimples? Those are woodpecker holes. Digging for bugs. Look at them. Sorry about the shakiness, but it's zoomed way in, so it's all the way up the tree. Can't really see it up there because the tree light. And if you look over there, you can see one through the tree. See that light colored tree? See it? Right here. Right there. There's another one there. There's a few over there on that hillside. But yeah, I just wanted to touch on that. Thanks everybody. I appreciate it. Everybody that's traveling to Tazapalooza, please be safe. Drive careful. And remember, when you get here, you get to split, and you get to burn, and you get to cut some of this beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, give her the garlic. Doug fir. I like to cut fur, yeah, that old Doug fir. I finally got an echo. Oh, it's just beautiful. Fresh air. There's another one of them. There's another. There's quite a few around. That one right there is a pine tree. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. The old Yoder loaded. Look at us go. Oh yeah, what a pair. Be kind.